time for pumpkin bread. I feel like there's a song waiting for me to be singing, but I don't know how it goes. So let's just make pumpkin bread. First up, if you don't use your Vitamix spatula for everything but your Vitamix, you're missing out. I do it all the time. I've got a can of pumpkin here, and I'm just going to use my Vitamix spatula to scoop it all out and scrape the edges down nice and even. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy to make pumpkin bread. I mean, honestly, I really don't know that it can get any easier. And it's going to be delicious. And of course, gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, nut-free, top 8 allergy-free. It's all the good free-froms, okay? So we've got our pumpkin here. And here I've got our oil and our vanilla. And all of our seasoning spices are here. Okay. I'm going to gently whisk these together. Doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to get that pumpkin pre-seasoned nicely. Okay. See how easy that was? Now we're going to add our sweetener of choice. In our case, I'm using maple so that it stays refined sugar-free because we all know Mr. Low No Sugar requires it. And the flour is in. And finally, our rising agent, our salt. Didn't I tell you guys this would be easy? I'm basically done. I'm gonna get this over to the mixing bowl. While it's mixing, I'm going to add the flax egg, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. This is what it looks like out of the mixer. It's a little thick. And now, over here, I've got a little glass baking dish, and I just have a piece of parchment loosely put in. It's not perfect, and I didn't go up these two sides because you don't really need it. As long as you have a little bit of leverage, and this is kind of important, the way I have the parchment coming up this way, we're actually going to be able to lift the whole loaf, which will make the release much easier. So I'm going to add in my loaf mix. But I'm also going to reserve some of the mix because, as you can see, I've got this over here to show you. So I'm just going to spread this around. Now over here, I want to show you guys a fun variation. Actually, first let me add a little bit more. Okay, that's good. I can't help myself, I just like to smooth it out. Whew, that looks so nice. Okay, for a variation, you're going to grab chocolate chips of choice. These can contain cane sugar, they can be sugar-free, whatever you need. And then you're just going to mix it right up. What do you think? Enough chocolate chips or should we use more? Pretty good?
It's good.
Okay. I would never presume to tell someone how many chocolate chips to put in their recipes, so eyeball it. Let me grab a scooper. So this is just a large, you can buy online either an ice cream scoop or what they call a large cookie dough scoop. Fun fact, we keep going through the large cookie dough scoops to the point where I don't buy them anymore. For whatever reason, the kids are really good at breaking only those. So I just stick to the ice cream scoop now, mainly because they're just so expensive. I'm like, I cannot justify buying another one of these large scoopers. And so I'm just going to put a nice big dollop into each of these. Okay, I have enough for one more. I'll probably make one more. I'm gonna get these into the oven and we'll be back in a while. They do take a little long to cook, and then we'll show you guys the final results. All right, guys, our pumpkin bread is ready to come out. Now, I did have someone take a bite so that we knew that our timing was right. And don't be afraid to do that with your pumpkin products and banana bread type products because they can oftentimes look done and even pass a toothpick test, but not really be ready. Now, when your bread starts to crack on top like that, pumpkin breads, banana breads, they are so ready. So there you have it. This is how you make a gluten-free, top 8 free, super easy pumpkin bread. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hey there, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, leave us a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.